When we walk into a room, the first thing that catches our attention is always the furniture. It sets the tone for the room and contributes to the overall ambience. To us at Desace, furniture design is a specialized field where function and fashion collide. And at Desace, our multidisciplinary in-house team is always ready to deliver. Established in 2004, our journey of designing, curating and reupholstering furniture is one marked by progress, improvement and advancement. With over 60 years of combined experience, our team of local craftsmen takes the lead at product delivery while striving for customer service excellence. At Desace, we take pride in our work, hand-picking talented individuals committed to supporting our various key services. These include custom furniture design, furniture reupholstery, and furniture retail. Customized furniture is one of our largest portfolios at Desace. Customers that just do not agree with off-the-shelf furniture come to us to solve a variety of possible problems. They may require something with additional back support, have different preferences on the densities and firmness of the foam in their cushions, or they may come to us to construct something unique altogether. Whatever the reason, our custom furniture clients go back with something that is built for them and caters to their every need. Furniture reupholstery is something increasing in demand. It is a cost-effective and yet environmentally friendly way for our customers to preserve their sentimental pieces, giving them a facelift, style change, and prolonging the furniture's lifespan altogether. To us at Desace, each piece of furniture saved from ending at the landfill state is a success story on its own. We have even had the opportunity to help to preserve furniture dating back to the World War II era. Our brand new showroom at Upper Serangoon Road is our new facade for quality retail furniture. Our team of designers carefully curates each piece of furniture that sits in our space, ensuring that there is something for everyone. At Desace, we pride ourselves with the highest level of customer service and furniture. Our in-house team of designers, carpenters and craftsmen are capable of designing furniture to your exact requirements. Experienced customer support that is just a phone call away with our direct factory services, and rest assured with capable technicians and installers that are ready to help you put your dream furniture together. At Desace, we believe that quality speaks for itself.